Hello everyone, my name is Swara and today we are going to learn a new topic that is time. So in this chapter we will learn convert units of time, read time to the nearest minute, convert between 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock, add and subtract time, find time duration, read calendar. And today we are only going to learn convert units of time. So quickly open your books of maths. Page number 109. Now this is our warm-up stage. In this warm-up stage, you can read it and try to solve it. Okay. Now as time, who shows time? Let me ask you a question. Who shows us the time? It's basically the clock who shows us the time. So it is a clock. So today also we are going to discuss about the clock and units of time. Clock and the units of time. Okay. And then conversion of units of time. A clock. Closely look at the face of a clock. Closely look at the face of a clock. Okay. There are 12 big divisions on it. Numbered 1 to 12. These divisions are used to tell the hour. It takes the hour hand 1 hour to move from one number to the next. Now see, this is a clock. This is a clock. Now this clock takes, now from, if I say this is clock, okay. Now this is how much o'clock? 9 o'clock. In this video also I am going to show you how to read time, or like how to show time and read time. We will do some fun activities dependent on it in my notebook. Okay. Now it's 9 o'clock. Now to move till this 10, 11, it will take 1 hour each. 1 hour each. That is the thing I wanted to tell you. So it takes 1 hour to move from one number, from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, from any other number. It takes 1 hour. Okay, where it is? Yes, it takes 1 hour to. It takes the hour hand 12 hours to make one round of the clock face. It takes 12 hours. Okay, to make one round of the clock face. Between two big divisions, two consecutive numbers, there are 5 smaller divisions. Okay, so if 10, okay, if 9 and 10. Now this, you see, these are big divisions and this one are smaller divisions. So between them are 5. These, see here, these are used to tell the minutes. This smaller divisions in both the figures are used to show which type minutes. Which type of hand? Minute is exact. Now see. Okay, wait. There are used to tell. Wait. These are used to tell minutes. Each small division is equal to 1 minute. So if there is, wait here. So see, if this moves here, this hand moves here. Whenever it moves here, we know that it is the multiply. We multiply that number by 5. See, when the minute hand is exactly over a number, multiply the number by 5 to find the number of minutes. Then the minute hand is between two numbers. Find the minutes till the number mark before it. Then count and add the extra minutes to it. Now we don't understand. See, now let's take this one example. If the minute hand is over 4, then the number of minutes is 4 into 5 is equals to 20. As it says, they all are multiples of 5. Multiples, I'm saying. They all are multiples of 5, yes, and they are all multiplied by the digit 5. So it scientifically means that we just have to multiply by what digit is 5. Now, if the minute hand is on third smaller mark after 7, then the number of minutes is 7 into 5 plus 3, because it's not at 7, it's here and before 3, but we don't know. So first we have to calculate of 7, then just add 3 inside it. So 7 into 5 is 35, 35 plus 3 over here, it will make 38 minutes. So whenever it is in between, we can calculate it this way. Now there is third hand also. Now we just talked about which hands? Hour hand and minute hand. So there is third hand also. That is, there is a third hand in some clocks and watches. It is called the seconds hand. Seconds hand. It moves faster than both the hour hand and the minute hand, both. In the time taken by the minute hand to move from one mark to the next, the second hand makes a complete round of the clock. This means that the second hand moves 60 divisions in 1 minute. So 1 minute is equals to 60 divisions. 60 seconds. Now see, while a minute was moving till here, so a second hand had to take a complete round and then the minute hand will move. Okay, got this? So it was, I hope it is really clear to you all. Now again I will explain you some of these clock facts so you can understand it in a better way. Okay, so over here I have drawn a clock. Now we have to tell the time, but we have to first show minutes also. So what we are dependent on is minutes. Now see, here it is 5 o'clock. No, if it is 5 o'clock, it should be here near around 6, because to be 6 it's only 5 minutes, but it's 4. It's 4. See, still it's passing through it. But see, wait a minute, see, it should be in this center point, here. So it's 4 o'clock, right? It's 4 o'clock. But 4 means, it's not 4, just 4. It's, see, now 4. Over here it's pointing at 11. Now as I said, it's the multiple of 5, or as I said, it is just multiply by 5. So multiple of 5 is whenever you show or tell how you are measuring the time or how you are telling the time, and but wherever you use multiply by 5, see, multiply by 5. Now what will be, see, if I take 11, it's pointing at 11, so 11 into 5 will give me 55. So you have to write 55. See, that's how you measure up, how you show time. Now see, how you told the time, see, it was pointing at 11 here, right, and it was pointing at 4, not at 5 but 4. So it is 4:55. Okay, now let me show you another example so that you can understand it very well. Okay, now we have to tell this in our time format. Now how we are going to do, see, keep a pencil with you. Okay, now what you don't know, you just know it is 11 o'clock. Okay, so you know it's 11 o'clock, but how many minutes after it? I told you a way that is multiply 5. But it's not going to work here because it is in the center way of 6 and 5. See, long hand, minute hand is between the center way of 6 and 5. So how can we see? It's not that much true. Okay. So see, if it's in this center, now what we are going to do is we are going to draw some lines. So here is the 6th point. Here is the 5th point. Okay. Now see 5. Now it means here we can draw. It has 5. So 1, 2. Like this you can draw some divisions. Okay. Wait. Let me just point it. Yes. So see, it's pointing at this division. It means what? Now we will need a equation. We will need a equation here. See, what is the equation we are going to do? So see, over here what you have to do is, you have to multiply 5 into 5 plus the 3, plus this division. So see, because it's 25, 26, 27, now 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. See, now I took 2, like 1, 2. You have to only not count 5 here. So 25, this is 25, this is 25, this is 27. Got it? So that was the way we can do. So see, we understood 2 ways. One this way and another is this way. Got it? It's a really simple. Just have to form like this. Some forms you can form and just try to do it. Okay? Now we will look the hands of the clock. Okay. So now here, as you see, there I have written is what? Hands of the clock. So here I have written, and this is our clock that we see regularly. So see, it is 4 o'clock. See, it's 4 o'clock. So this hand, you see, the longest hand is the minute hand. This one, you see, this one, the shortest hand in my clock I have drawn. So that is the hour hand. It shows hour, this shows minutes. This, you see, this one, it's in the medium size, not so short and not so long. So it is a second hand. Now all the time we don't see second hand in some type of clocks, because, and we never try to count the seconds as well, because the seconds are moving so fast. In your clock, yes, some of you may have a clock, and at all you have a clock. So try to see the second hand, the thin hand, and which is in the medium size, not short, not long, and that will give you best experience of the hands of the clock, about the hands of the clock. Okay, so now we will understand a lot of questions. We will take a lot of questions, and that is as your test. So be prepared. So in this type of questions, I'll be asking you not to show time, to tell the time, because showing time is really easy. Just you have to showing time. So just we will learn how to tell time, not to show time. Okay. So let's see it in this video as well. Just now the questions are being ready. So till that you still can revise. Okay. Now try to revise. Okay. So let's see our question paper then. Okay. So first I am going to show you a test. Then I will tell you the solutions of your test. So this is your first question. This is your second question, third question, and the fourth question. Quickly copy it in your note. Again, I will repeat it. So this is your test, and now I am going to tell you your solutions for your test. Okay, I hope you have solved the first question. Solve it. I will give you some seconds. I hope you have solved it. Okay. Now see. If you say your answer is like this, 9 and over here is 12. So you are wrong. If you say this, you are completely wrong. Wrong. Because they are the 5. Multiply by 5. So 12, 5 is 60. So it's 60. So 966 shall I say? It takes 60 minutes to go from one position to another position. As I told you before in the book it is given. So it's not that also. It's the correct timing will be 900. Okay. So this is always a 0. If it is 60, right? So it's always a 0. Okay. Got that? That's why I put it this question and star it up. If you have done it correct, also star it up. Good job. Now this. Try to do it. Again I will wait for some seconds and then we will do it. The explanation will be so good. Okay, while I am speaking also you have to do it. Because if I kept so silent, so all the voice will come, right? I hope you have got your answer. Now in this, what I can explain you is, see, some of you may see 7:55. So you are again completely wrong. It's not gone. It has not gone before 7. It's not here that it will quickly go on 8 o'clock. No, it will be 7 o'clock. As you see, 5 minutes are left and it's not pointing at correctly 7, it's pointing here. So it means it is, 6:55. Okay, this is not. And again, start up this question. Now, next attempt. Now, it is again the same question, but see the hands. I have moved them. So, see, it is at 12 o'clock. It means it's not 3:60, 3:12. It is 3, just 3. Now again, do this question, please. Wait, I will be waiting for it. Just I have moved the hands again. Now, you all will be saying like this. 5 and 0.5. So see here, yes, 5:05 you will be saying, right? And you are absolutely correct. And start up this question because some of you may do silly mistakes in this, because some of you may think it will be 4. No, see, it's pointing at the correct level of 5. So it is this one. And if you did all these questions right, you get the marks 4 out of 4. If 1 is less, it's okay. 2 is less, you have to try it. Okay, just a minute. Now we will understand the units of time. Okay, let me just take the book. Okay, so see, the smaller units of time are seconds. For example, the time taken to clap your hands. Minutes, for example, the time taken to measure your body temperature. And hours, for example, the time taken to watch a movie. The larger units of time are days, weeks, months, and years. Find out at least one example for the larger units of time. Now for weeks we can say going to any town or a village for 7 days itself. We go 14 days. So that's even in a week. Day, for a picnic we go for a day. A month, we go for a month, like where we go for a month is something, you have to find month. Years takes like one revolution of the earth. Now let us look some relationship between these units. So shall we? The mobile is hang. Okay, I know that. So it's not just happening. Anything I'm touching is not happening. So I don't know how it will pause. Okay. Now see, let us look at the relationship between these units. So 60 seconds make up a 1 minute. 60 seconds make 1 unit. 60 minutes make 1 hour. And 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 30 days make 1 month. 4 weeks make 1 month. 365 days make 1 year, and 52 weeks make 1 year. 12 months make 1 year. Easy, just have to learn this chart quick. Okay. So now we will learn conversion of units of time. Converting minutes into seconds. Converting minutes into seconds. See, we know that 1 minute is how many? 60 seconds. To convert minutes into seconds, multiply it by 60. Example, convert 2 minutes into seconds. 1 minute, 60 seconds. So, 2 minutes, 2 into 60 seconds is equals to 120 seconds. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Now see in this problem. Now I am not going to explain it on the notebook, because see, exercise you will get the in the next video you will get the solution. Okay, so like there will be a lot of parts for this chapter. So see, I will just upload it by, okay, so there are a lot of exercises, so we will do it one by one each. It will take a lot of days, but still we are going to complete this chapter. Now see, in this example what you have to do is convert 2 minutes and 10 seconds into seconds. So seconds itself. So we just have to convert 2 minutes, then add this 10 digit. See that 10 digit we have to add to 2 minutes in seconds. So 2 minutes in seconds will be, if 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, so 2 minutes is equals to 2 into 60, that will be 1